wrestling. You fucking kidding me? If I can have the immunity idol back, thank you.
We'll get that back soon, Jeff.
All right, we'll see about that. All right, so I have pre-assigned your competition. However, Blue Tribe, you have one extra person. You need to pick a girl to sit out.
These 2 minutes isn't a birthday. Come on.
All right.
Suck my dick.
Survivors ready? Go!
Let's go!
Blue Tribe with the win!
You're on.
Survivors ready? Go!
Oh, dude, your hands are so wet.
Hell yeah, brother.
I feel so little tugging already.
Come on,
Everybody ready? Go!
In his head already. Hey, let's go.
You win immunity. Blue, if you win this, you're still in it. Everybody ready?
I'm so equal.
Everybody ready? Go!
Oh, right now?
Go.
It was there.
I sadly have to vote out Maria. Nothing against her. I just felt with the upcoming challenges, we don't know what they are. And with the previous challenges, I feel like she was the weaker of 7. Nothing against her. Love her for the blue. Back to Maria.
Okay, I voted for Liz because I see her as a little bit of a threat. She and I feel like kind of have similar skills and weaknesses and whatnot, so that's what I'm doing for her.
I voted for Julia. No hard feelings. She is not a strong swimmer, and she has said that, and I know there will be swimming events in the future, and just thinking about the team.
I'm voting for Julia because she lost at her part of the challenge, and I think she might be a weak link. No hard feelings. She's a great person. I'm sorry. I voted for Julia because she said she can't swim and haven't done a swimming challenge yet, so pretty much self-explanatory. Again, I'm voting for Julia. I love you, but we need to keep our tribe strong so we can get rid of the red, and you can't swim very well. So, I'm sorry to love you.
Julia, I'm sorry this doesn't bite me in the ass later, but we're on the streeters who can't swim, and we might need that later down the road for a physical challenge. So, yeah, thank you.
Read the votes. First vote, Julia. Second vote, Liz. That's 1 vote Julia, 1 vote Liz. Third vote, Julia. That's 2 votes Julia, 1 vote Liz. Maria, we have 1 vote Liz, 1 vote Maria, 2 votes Julia. Julia. That's 3 votes, Julia. Second person voted out of Bird Island. Julia. Julia, if you'll come up here, please. Oh. Can you stand right there? Julia, the tribe has spoken. You can exit the telephone.
My baby. Good luck.
Go, Bridget! Let's go, let's go! Let's go, Luke!
Bro, 3 of ours were stuck in the corner. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Back. Let's go help us.
That's why I struggled. I was looking for something at the bottom.
Hey, if you're turning in the pool, could you pick up the last time?
You're falling behind, maybe? Yeah, there's 2 L's. There's 2 L's. And then try falling out of the challenge. CHALL.
They're keep life.
Fire represents life? No. There's no.
Yes, they can. Shut the fuck up.
Daddy can help. Someone can help.
What are we thinking, buddy? We do race. If we change our lead.
Strong, or is it going to be every man for themselves? Is there anyone who you think could flip easily?
Red and green in my brain.
Yeah, I think you heard at the beginning, better dead than red. So.
I like Bird's friends. I'm voting for Nick because he has to leave at 3. So, yeah.
Nick. Very honorable if you can sacrifice yourself, man. Then you should. I'm voting at Alyssa. It probably doesn't matter. So, I love you, Julia. Thanks for the opportunity. Happy birthday, Bridget. I work for my boy. I'm gonna go show he can get some ass tonight. But, yeah, I hate
I love